Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening date and time so you can change the clock immediately. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Date and Time. On Mac, open System Settings, General Date and Time. Once there, make sure you disable Set Automatically. This exposes the manual fields. If you can't toggle it, check for a configuration profile or mobile device management that may lock settings. Now you're ready to pick a time zone or edit the time itself. Do not skip verifying device permissions first. Now set the time zone, because adjusting the zone first prevents unintended offsets. You choose the nearest city or region, then tap or click the time field to edit hours and minutes. Use the 24-hour format or AM/PM as displayed. On Mac, you may need to click the padlock and authenticate with your password before changes stick. On iPhone, use the picker wheel for precise minutes. Once set, check the displayed time against a reliable source so you know the device shows the correct local time. Finish by saving changes and restarting your device so apps pick up the new clock. After reboot, verify system time in the status bar and in calendar events. Make sure alarms still trigger when expected. If the time reverts or keeps syncing, inspect VPNs, configuration profiles, or an NTP/Internet time server that may override manual settings. As a quick fix, re-enable Set Automatically briefly, then disable it again, and if problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.